Alright, so here we have the Swap and Glow illuminated mods from x-lume. These cup holders, you can simply swap them out. You can choose the design. They are available for the Dodge Challenger, Charger, and Chrysler 300 right now, with a series of different images that you can choose from. So right now, we're installing this on a 2017 Destroyer Gray Hellcat, and you guys are about to see exactly how this transforms the vehicle and why you need a set right now. Alright everyone, so you see Chris behind the wheel, the mastermind for this project, and here's what we're about to do. Very simply put, we're gonna make sure that we disassemble this and make sure we get access to those cup holders. So Chris is about to show you guys how that's done, and everyone has a little bit of a different technique, but we're about to make this happen and show you guys the final product for it.